Have you ever encountered a problem where you needed to find the equivalent of the first expression in Oracle SQL when migrating from MS Access? Well, fret not, as I have a solution that might just do the trick for you. In the solution provided, you can utilize the min, keep, dense_rank first order by construct in Oracle SQL. By using row num in the order by clause, you can retrieve the first row read from the table. This allows you to mimic the behavior of the first function in MS Access. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the solution. The SQL query provided selects the ID column and utilizes min, keep, dense_rank first order by row num to fetch the first occurrence of level, name, and designation. The query groups the results by ID and filters out any rows where the first level is not equal to 1. Furthermore, to replicate the sample data from the original problem in Oracle SQL, you can use the create table statement provided. This statement creates a table named table with columns ID, level, name, and designation, populating it with the sample data. In conclusion, the solution presented offers a workaround for the first expression in MS Access when working with Oracle SQL. By leveraging the min, keep, dense_rank first order by, construct, and creatively using row num, you can achieve similar functionality in Oracle. Give it a try and see how it can help you in your database queries. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Who knows, your comment might just be the next SQL query challenge.